we'll guide you through how to write ChatGPT fanfiction. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website. Once there, sign into your account, or create one if you haven't yet. After logging in, you'll see the ChatGPT interface. To start crafting your fanfiction, you can begin by setting the scene. Type in a prompt that describes the setting, characters, and plot elements you want. For example, you might start with, "In a world where dragons roam the skies, a young warrior named Alex sets out on a quest," and then let ChatGPT generate the next part of the story. If the output isn't quite what you're looking for, you can refine the prompt by adding more details or asking direct questions to guide the narrative direction. For instance, you might add, "How does Alex prepare for the journey?" This can help the AI to focus on specific aspects of your story. Remember, you can always edit the AI's responses to better fit your vision. You can also experiment with different writing styles or tones by adjusting your prompts, like asking for more dialogue or action scenes. Don't hesitate to iterate on the prompts to get the ideal story flow. Once you're satisfied with the storyline, you can copy the text into a document for further editing or sharing. And that's how you can create immersive fanfiction using ChatGPT. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.